and read which are the services, under which ministry they are working, like what is a post of DRM. How many of you are clear like DM और ADM hierarchy क्या होती है?
SDM, ADM, DM, Divisional Commissioner.
SDM से नीचे?
तहसीलदार, BDO, पटवारी.
तहसीलदार is the lowest revenue official. उसके बाद तहसीलदार then BDO. ठीक है? BDO and तहसीलदार are the equivalent or BDO is senior to तहसीलदार? Okay. What is a magistrate? What is a magistrate? Like people say, a
person with having judiciary powers.
Judiciary powers. Be specific. What are judicial powers?
That would give.
Exactly. First of all, you should read what is deputy commissioner, deputy district magistrate, what are his powers. Get to know where you want to be. You all are preparing for civil services without knowing what role you will be, fitting in. You will be stepping in as collector or as SP, SSP, DCP. Understand your system. And this I am not telling you, you are preparing for civil services, that's why you should know it. Every person living in a country should know about the government system, should know about government hierarchy. You cannot work in that country or any country. You cannot work for yourself also if you don't know the system. Knowing the system is must. Anybody would come in, he will say something to you. You will pick up a fight. Police will come and they will arrest you. Now what will you do? You should know your rights. And first of all, know about the system, know what are your rights. After that, you make up your mind. That would not take much time. Basic your NCRTs, just go have a read them, and don't be in a race that I have to start and complete within 2 months or 3 months. Have your natural pace, understand it,